The beach. It is summer season. Sandy is at the beach. She is making a sand castle. Sam and Lara are playing a beach ball. A young lady is surfing the sea. Ben is walking with the dog along the shore. Questions. Where is Sandy? Answer. Sandy is at the beach. Who are playing a beach ball? Answer. Sam and Lara are playing a beach ball. What is the young lady doing? Answer. The young lady is surfing the sea. What is Ben doing? Answer. Ben is walking with the dog along the shore. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.